how to clear a conversation and context in your Claude Code CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can clear the conversation and context in your Claude Code CLI conversation. So as here you can see, I have this conversation right here. In this case, it is quite small, but in your case, if you have miles of conversations going on and you need to clean your terminal, then I'll show you how you can do this. So in order to do this, simply go to your new line and type in the following command, that is a forward slash, and then you can simply type in clear. Now this will clear conversation history and free up your context. So if you want to delete your conversation history, you can simply type in clear and hit the enter button, and now you can see that all of the content that had been here is now successfully cleared up. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.